Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Vinted shipping label. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Vinted, you can continue using your Facebook, your Google account, or even your Apple. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, Vinted shipping labels streamline the shipping process by providing a hassle-free way to ship sold items directly to buyers. Now, sellers can print the label at home and drop off the package at their preferred shipping carrier's location or schedule a pickup. Now, using a Vinted shipping label gives your package a professional appearance, which can instill confidence in buyers and enhance their overall shopping experience. Of course, it ensures that the package is clearly labeled with the recipient's address and tracking information. Now, let me tell you how shipping works here in Vinted. Just click on the upper right corner on your profile icon. Click on the profile option. Okay. Now, from here, go to the where it says you have to click on settings. And click on here on the shipping. Now from here, you can add your shipping address, okay? Because from here, the shipping expenses are added to the item's price and are shown in the total sum of the buyer's order at the checkout. And of course, shipping rates depends in the total parcel size in both the buyer's and the seller's location. Because when you sell an item here, you'll get a prepaid Vinted generated shipping label in your email and Vinted inbox. However, if shipping instructions don't include a Vinted generated shipping label, you'll need to pay upfront and can be reimbursed once the order is complete. Now, the delivery option right now for one of my account is USPS, all right? But there are other shipping options that is available on Vinted, which is we are going to explore. Number one is Every, and it's a great value parcel delivery and courier service you can trust. And from here, all I have to do is just click on the destination country from United Kingdom, which is the base of their business, from USA, and a lot more of the supported countries and packages. Of course, just put some information right here from postcode to postcode, and obviously the weight. All right, that's why we mentioned earlier that the pricing depends on the weight and location, all right? Because it matters. The price will vary from that. Now, the next option that we have is in post, and from here, it's the same process really. All you have to do is enter a parcel number and find, and from here, you can check your postcode and check the deadlines for sending a parcel, and you can send conveniently and collect and send your parcel safely, all right? It's a very straightforward process, really. It's nothing technical. And the next option that we have is called, now Yodel offers the same parcel delivery from the rest of the options that we have discussed earlier, and it's the same. All you have to do is check the prices which you think suits your budgets and needs. All right, the next option is DPD, and from here, as you can see, you can just find your local DPD partner and choose the partners in your region. Right now, from here, after that, once the buyer selects and pays for an integrated shipping or a prepaid label option at checkout, basically Vinted will send a digital shipping label or a code to get the shipping label to the seller. And of course, sellers will see in their inbox, and all they have to do is print the Vinted label here on your orders or your products, okay? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if by any chance you are having problems getting some Vinted shipping label, all you have to do is just go here at the Vinted Help Center and just choose the topics that applies to your situation, especially in terms of shipping. Right, and if you get a hold of a live agent or a customer support agent, tell them that you wanted help to get a Vinted shipping label, right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.